Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Ayan Banerji with the PC customization channels, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you a basic calculator used by Pythonians in order to execute a type of equation. So like in our normal world there's a calculator machine and you input a number, take a operator like plus minus into division, and you type a second number and click on equals to, so that gives you the answer. So in order to execute that thing on our program in Python, there are certain kinds of variables and inputs that allow us to create our basic calculator in Python. And guys, I will tell you one thing, that if in the last video you could not see what I was typing because the font was very low, so you can go in the description of that video and you'll find the code there, so you can just copy and paste it into your text editor, whatever you're using, and you can just revise it again and again. So without further ado, let's start making our first basic calculator. So you want to take one variable as num1, and then you want to use the input function. Now like the input function is same as the print function, but what an input function does is that it gives us a prompt to enter a certain value, but whereas a print function just prints out the thing that you are like typing inside your string. So we're gonna give a prompt to the user as enter a number, and this will do, so like this will say on the console that enter a number, so it's asking for a particular number for doing the calculating. So in the next line, what you want to do is you just copy this, paste it here, and you want to just change the number num1 to num2 and a to another. Now you take two numbers and like multiply, divide, or plus minus them with each other. So first it'll ask for one number, then it'll ask for this number, second number. So then you want a variable as result, this will give you as a result. So int. Now what is int? Int is a integer short form, and it will be only used for the whole numbers. So like if I'm like adding 2 plus 2, so answer will be 4. And like so in the int function I want to put num1, and in this situation I'll use the addition, and then we are going to use the float function. So now what is this float function? The float function is a decimal number, so like 2 plus 2.2 gives you 4.2. So it's used as that. So num1 is an int and num2 will go in float. Then what you want to do is simply write print result. So when I run this program, so see, it's giving us a prompt, enter a number. So if I enter a number as 5 and enter another number as 2, so see, the answer is in 7.0. That's a decimal number because there's this float. If I change this float to int and then run it again, see, I enter number 5, another number 2, and it gives us 7. So you can change it accordingly to that. It's according to your wish, how you want the user to get its answer. So, but what if the user by mistake doesn't type a number? So first he typed a 4 and like suddenly his concentration went on something else and he by mistake typed TR. So then it will give a error because TR is not a certain value that comes in a float, because it's not a number, it's a string. So then it will give the error. Same happens, like 1 minute, same happens if I do this. So it will, and I do this, so then it will again give me the error because int again requires a number and not a string. So yeah, like you'll also find ahead in the course like how to not receive this error, and tell the user that do not type a letter or alphabets, and type only numbers in order to get your answer. And also more mathematical functions will be taught to you in this course. So like that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this and it was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video if it was helpful, make sure to comment in the comment section below what things you didn't understand, and ring the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regarding the Python course. Till now, and we'll meet in the next video with the awesome content. Till then, bye bye guys.